Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some warm pictures. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit straight. Backbone straight. Everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes ma. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. You should add these two numbers. Okay. 4 here. 8 plus 6. 14. 1 carry forward. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1, 2. What is that answer? 21,944 is the answer. Understood? C1. See here. 56 into 563. 1's place which number is here? 6. 6 3's are 18. 1 carry forward. 6 6's are 36. 36 1, 37. 7 here. 3 carry forward. 6 5's are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Yes. 1's place completed. Plus symbol you should write there. Again. 10's place which number is here? 5. 5 3's are 15. 5 here. 1 carry forward. 5 6's are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 1 here. 3 carry forward. 5 5's are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. Now what you have to do? You should add these two numbers. Yes. 8 plus nothing is there. 8. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 12. 12. 2 here. 1 carry forward. S. 1 plus 3. 4. 4 plus 1. 5. Here. 8 plus 3. 11. 1 here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2. 3. What is that answer? 31,528 is the answer. Understood children? What I did here, how I did. Did you understood? Practice. You should practice. Okay? I will give few sums. You should practice that. Okay ma? Already previous class you learned 2-digit number by 1-digit number. How to multiply? Multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Now multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Okay? Understood? See. See, here 2-digit numbers as ones place, tens place. 22. 22. See, 435 into 22. As what you have to do? Again, first you should multiply ones place first. Okay. Ones place with these three numbers you should multiply first. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 4s are 8. Yes. Again, what you have to do? Next, tens plus which number is here? 2. Yes. You should add here. Adding symbol you should keep here. Okay. Adding symbol. Okay, ones place adding symbol, because ones place over. Already you multiplied ones place. That's why here adding symbol you should write. Okay. Now tens place. Tens place, what is this? Which number is here? 2. This 2 you should multiply these three numbers. As 2 5s are 10. Again 1 carry forward. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 8s are 8. Yes. What you have to do these two? You should add. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 5 here, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9. What is that answer? 9570 is the answer. Understood what I did here? Ones place first I took ones place number and I multiplied ones place, tens place, hundred place up number. Yes. Again what I did? Tens place I multiplied. When I am multiplying tens place, I completed here ones place. That's why I kept here plus. Yes. Now tens place I should multiply. Again I multiplied these three numbers. I wrote here answer. Okay. Next what I did? I added these two numbers. Okay. These two I added means what is that answer? 9570 is the answer. Understood children what I am saying? See, one more sum I will do. Okay. See. No. 4 6. What is that? 4 6. See, you know 4 ones are table. 4 6 how much? 24. 4 here, 2 carry forward. S. 4 4s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. S. Ones place completed. Plus symbol. In tens place, which number is here? 3. In 3, you should multiply these three numbers. Okay. 3 6 are how much? 3 6 are 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 here, 1 carry forward. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Now what you have to do? You should everyone open your workbook children. Concept 6.2. Multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number and 2-digit numbers. Already you learned that sums how to do. Okay. 3-digit number by 1-digit and 2-digit. Yes. Now workbook part ma. Recall. Multiple choice question. What is the question? The product of 90 and 3 is. What is the product of 90 and 3? Tell me. 90 into 3. 90 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 nines are 27. What is that product? 270 is the product. S. What is that option will come? 270 where it is? C. Option C. Understood? Option C is the answer. Next. Second one. 52 into 1. 52 into 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 fives are 5. 52. What is that option? D. 52 ones are 51, 52 only. Yes. 52 ones are 52. Next, third one. The product of 20 into 4. See, 20 and 4 is. The product of 20 and 4 is. 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 8. 80. What is the option? D. Option D is the correct answer. Next, the product of 302 and 1. What is that product? 302 into 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 zeros are 0. 1 threes are 3. Same 302 is the answer. Yes. Option B. Understood, children? See, the product of 200 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. What is that answer? 400 is the answer. Option A. Next, sixth one. The product of 111 into 2. As 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. What is that answer? 222. D. Option D. Understood, children? Fill in the blanks. What is it? Fill in the blanks. Seventh one. The product of 70 and 6. 70 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 sevens are 42. 420 is the answer. As next, eighth one. The product of 800 and 4. 800 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 eights are 32. What is that answer? 3200 is the answer. The product of 301 by 3. Product of into 3. As 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. What is that answer? 903 is the answer. Understood, children? 10th one. What is the product of 222? 222 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. What is that answer? 444 is the answer. 11th one. What is the product of 121 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. What is that answer? 242 is the answer. Twelfth one. Find the product of 333 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. What is that answer? 999 is the answer. 39th one. 13th one. See, what is the product of 999 and 3? Should draw the columns. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 999 into 3 as 3 nines are 27. 7 to carry forward. 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 9 here to carry forward. 3 nines are 27. 20 plus 2, 29. Understood, children? 14th one. Again, columns you should draw. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yes. See, what is that? What is the product of 893 into 4? Yes. 4 threes are 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 4 nines are 36. 36 1, 37. 7, 3. 4 eights are how much? 4 eights are. Tell me. 32. Yes. 32 plus 4. 35. Yes or no? See? Copy in the workbook. Children, long answer questions now. Solve. See, here 3-digit number by 2-digit number. You should multiply. Okay. What is that? 422 multiply 15. Yes. What you have to do? Again, should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 422 into 15. Ones place first you should multiply. S. 5 twos are 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 here, 1 carry forward. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. S. Again, 1's place completed. Now 10's place. S. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. Now what you have to do, you should add this. Yes. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. Like this. 15th one. Okay. One more is there. One more sum. You should do. Okay. Into 21. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. See, 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Plus 1's plus completed. Now 10's place. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Should add this 2. 4 plus anything is there? No, 4 only. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 year carry forward. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here anything is there? No, 4. Like this. Okay. Next do some 16th one you do. You people should do.